Guys, I'm out here in the garden just looking around, and I wanted to show you this romaine lettuce. And this romaine is from seeds of the lettuce that I grew earlier in the year. So these are my own romaine lettuce seeds here that I've grown for the fall. I think they're looking pretty good there. And I have here in these rows, that's a spicy mescaline mix. And here I have put some spinach right down this row right here. This is spinach. And here I have Paris Island cause. And here, like I see when I was scattering it, there's some whole empty spaces there where there could be lettuce. And then I just have over here a gourmet blend. As you see, these different types of leaves and in different stages of growth. So yeah, it's not, in my opinion, it's not big enough where I can come out here and pick a salad. I have this purple lady. This is a purple lady bok choy. And over here in this row, well, this is a ruby red onion, or one of these candy red onions from the onions that I grew earlier in the year. It started to sprout before I could eat it. It was one of the last ones. So I just put it in the garden bed here. And along this first row, I have more romaine lettuce growing. So I'm gonna go over here in my other bed and check on this ultraviolet mustard green that I planted. It's along the first row here. And this is one of the leaves is very pretty. And you can see the legs are very nice and it is pretty bright. But like this first one, she's very violet, very purple. And this one, not so much. You can see some purple veining and just a little purple down here. But if you look at that one next to it, it's got a lot of purple going through it. And the leaves are much darker. So yeah, she's really pretty. And I'll give you a comparison of, this is the ultraviolet mustard and what her leaves look like. And this is the red giant mustard. The veining on this is very beautiful also. But she's just got a green stem. But yeah, I want to, I'm gonna leave this and try and hopefully make another harvest at Thanksgiving. And I'm gonna have, I've cut all the greens up that I collected the other day and just put them in a bag together. So it'll be a mixed greens pot that I'll be having. And these tender mustards, those big leaves there, they're fabulous. Mind you, I cut some the other day because, it's tender mustards and they are tender to the touch, but I tried to cut it up and eat it in a salad, and yeah, no bueno. It's not that tender. Not that tender that it can be eaten in a salad. In my opinion, I didn't enjoy it. And this row here, This is a Purple Lady bok choy. And I need to look into this and do some more research, because I'm like, I don't know how big she should be before it can be eaten. And I don't think it's really big enough where I can, you know, take some of the leaves from around the side of it. I don't know, it just, oh, wow, look at that. That's so pretty, the underside. I had never paid attention to that before. Do they all look like that? Oh yeah, very pretty. All right, so that's what's going on at the end of my day here. I did a lot of stuff, but I didn't film it. I'm like, these are my collard greens. I put some 7 dust on them because something was trying to snack on it. Do you see these holes? And these are the also from seeds that I collected, the tender mustards, or I just threw them here in the back. So when they get, like, I think these are transplantable. So I'm gonna transplant them. I've transplanted some of them in different spots over here. So yeah, that'll be probably for next week or later on in the week that I'll get that taken care of. I was just walking by this box here. It doesn't get much sunlight in the fall, winter time, but I had the romaine lettuce growing here, and one of them that went to seed was leaned over this way, and apparently it dropped some seeds here because I have some romaine, some red romaine that's just popping up here along the side. I'm like, and look how it looks very nice and red. All right, that was just a little something that I thought I would throw in there. All right, bye. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what it is that you're doing in your garden today. Bye.